Hey guys, what's good? This is my first vlog ever.
Been waiting on this night to get that call. Hung up on you.
And I'm here with my best friend, Peyton. Peytata. What is good? We are in the beauty of nature. And I had a lot of coffee this morning, and I'm drinking matcha, so you know that's more energy. I think this has energy in it. I don't really know, but what's good, y'all? So this is my first ever vlog. I'm a vlogger.
Oh yeah.
Hell
Make some
yeah.
story times.
Woo! Yeah, let me know if I should make story times. What should I do on this channel? I don't really know, but this is the vlog life, I guess, as we're taking a beautiful stroll in this beautiful park, because you know you gotta appreciate the nature involved. Alright guys, well I'm gonna go enjoy the nature, and I'll be back with you with some other updates on what I do with my life.
It says 2 Lily Pond Trail this way.
2 Lily Pond trails. Oh sorry, Peyton. We are going on a trail, so I'll catch up with y'all later, but happy first vlog! There's like old people in the park and they're like staring at me and Peyton. But like it's fine because we're trying to get that footage in. Peyton's vlogging over here. She's the true OG vlogger. I'm just start vlogging because why not? Why not? Let's do the Lily Pond loop. Yes. Guys, so there literally is like this weird noise and we're pretty sure it's the wildlife. Like there's wildlife here, and because you know we're in the bright outdoors and there's a lot to see out here. Got some birds, maybe some squirrels. Oh, it's all muddy. Oh hell no. We're not a fan. Oh my god, there's a bird. There's more nature. We're running into the nature. Yes. Yes, there's so much nature up in here. I just want to see some fishies. Where you
Oh
at?
my god, there's turtles too.
Oh my god, there's turtles too. Oh my god, I just want the fish. Where are the fish at? Oh my god. But this is so pretty. Like, look at this art, yo. Like, wow, this is so pretty. Look at that's literally like a picture. Like, the fish. Wow.
Who knew nature was real?
Who knew? Guys, I did not know this was real. Like, can I just tell you, it is real. Lily pads are real. I'm not just being a dumb blonde. Like, I just figured this out today. There's a turtle. Look how cute. Guys, there's a chipmunk. Oh my god, come back, come back. Oh my god, come back. Oh, I ran. I tried chasing a chipmunk to get up close and personal to Chippendale because, you know, it's a chipmunk. That bitch dipped.
Oh my god.
And I'm so
I saw
sad.
this thing on TikTok the other day, and this guy, he literally had a pet squirrel, and it was just like chilling on top of his head.
I want a pet squirrel. Oh my god. Literally, I'm going to buy a pet squirrel, and we're gonna be best friends for the rest of life. Who needs boys when you can have a fucking pet squirrel, am I right?
Oh shit.
We just left our trails, and now we're going to go get some smoothie bowls. How exciting. Healthy life, y'all. Healthy life, am I right? So I'm excited. I can vlog those too, because you know about that vlog life. Hey. Also, if you guys are wondering, yes, this is a Peppa Pig Band-Aid. I know. Gonna address the elephant in the room. I know you guys were all wondering what it is. It's Peppa Pig. That's all, guys. I'll see you later. What did you get?
I got a choco peanut butter acai bowl.
Yes, I got a tropical berry something. I don't know, but it looks good. Hi vlog, I'm on my way back home. Gonna get some tanning in because it is sunny and warm, so tanning weather, y'all. How's your day going, y'all? I hope it's going good. My day's going great. I don't know what else to say on this vlog, but thanks for watching. I'll probably do a different outro, but we'll see.
Stuck on you. Been waiting on